seriously can't do anything but sit and be like, ugh.
I'm still panting. That's just...
I think we ate too much.
I have to go to work. I'm meant to be there in 20 minutes. It's going to take 20 minutes to get Christy home. Yeah, that's going to work.
So good.
Take it away. Take it away. Take it away. Take it away.
Shut up. No.
No. Oh my god. I better not raise my voice. My stomach feels like it's just going to go crazy on me.
Maybe it is.
Oh, can I run her over? I can't talk. Oh, I'm going to run her over. Run, bitch! Run, Forrest! Yeah, that lorry's going the right way.
Not Forrest. I'm doing the scary movie style. Run, bitch, run!
Run, motherfucker! Run!
Ooh, scary old lady.
This lady looks like she's like some kind of dominatrix or something.
Yeah, I know, it's scary. Big church.
I'd be very scary if she did anything dominatrixy.
Why do you have to put those images in my head? Why do you have to do that to me? That's the way we go.
Turn right.
Turn right from here. Oh, very charming,
Well,
my
I feel
love.
better now.
I feel like I need to join in.
That was so not ladylike.
But I'm like a man.
Well, at least I don't fart like a man. It could be worse.
Yeah. Well, you snore like a man.
Fuck you! I don't snore. You snore, but you snore really weird.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
You don't have any proof.
I don't need proof. I have a camera. I can get proof.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I want you to give me proof.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I don't believe you until you get proof.
Alright. Any problem with that? Anytime I move in bed in the slightest bit, you wake up.
Yeah. I just need to get my camera. Click, 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 click. Oh, wait, he's up. You just have to have it just right next to this pillow anyway. Good. Good.
Oh! Oh! No. That was not nice. Oh.
Out with the chicken curry.
We'll be at this rate. Oh, I was not happy with that. This is what it looks like in England. Sometimes. I want to see what time with the rain though.
I feel like that kid that's eaten that fucking candy in Willy Wonka and made himself huge.
Oh! Yeah!
The little Bambies!
Oh, I want to go back and look at all the Bambies!
What?
We've skated, we've stuffed ourselves with food, we're happy.
And you're going home to do what you want.
More vlogging.
And I have to do, yay, playing games for 8 hours and getting paid for it.
Doesn't sound that bad.
It is when your stomach's full and you feel like throwing up.
It'll keep you going all day.
Like, what can I do to make me feel better? I'm feeling really ill. Yay, Lego!
Chill, guys.